My Little Dragon. And Martha Maxine completes the line. We're ready for a start. Off and pacing in the Betsy Ross. My Little Dragon shows speed from the outside. Spring Break left for mid-pack. Here's 4 Stars Melissa to contend the pace, but My Little Dragon will attempt to clear moving into the first turn, and she's pressed from the inside by 4 Stars Melissa. Now with those chartreuse and blue blinkers in front, 4 Stars Melissa takes the lead, so My Little Dragon is forced to drive on. Darwin's Delight right there in third. Then comes Spring Break caught to the outside. Arts Diva is up close from the 5th spot. She's just 3.5 off the lead. Then comes the defending champion, Southwind Tempo, biding her time 5 lengths from the front. Martha Maxine sweeps up outside. Go on BB, and the quarter was 26-2. 4 Stars Melissa heads them past us the first time. My Little Dragon outside of Darwin's Delight. These two are a joint second. And Martha Maxine will circle up 3 wide from Spring Break. Arts Diva is trapped at the pylons and 3 from the front. Southwind Tempo just behind that one. And Go on BB is last. 6.5 off leader 4 Stars Melissa through a half mile of 54-3. A solid pace, and 4 Stars Melissa leads by a half up the backstretch in the second edition of the Betsy Ross. And Martha Maxine is coming right to her. Martha Maxine now sticks the neck in front with just over 5/16 to go. 4 Stars Melissa is forced to fight back. Darwin's Delight edges to the outside. 2 lengths back. Arts Diva has 4.5 to come. Southwind Tempo is now finding room. My Little Dragon continues to stall. Go on BB toward the inside. Spring Break has dropped back last. 1:21-1. Unbelievable 3/4. Martha Maxine by a half length. Darwin's Delight is inching closer on the outside. Then we come back 2.5 to Southwind Tempo and Arts Diva toward the inside. 150 left in the Ross. Martha Maxine under Miller urging. Darwin's Delight is all out here. Southwind Tempo up the outside, and Southwind Tempo defends her crown in the Betsy Ross. Southwind Tempo from Darwin's Delight and Martha Maxine. Then Arts Diva with Go on BB, 4 Stars Melissa, My Little Dragon, and Spring Break. Last of all, oh my goodness, 1:48-3. What a performance by Southwind Tempo.